Hi friends, it's Barry from Math Games. Today I want to show you an algebra challenge about a fraction, and we want to find the expression of this complicated fraction. So let's take a look. We have 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by y equals 2025. And we want to find the expression x plus 2026y minus y divided by 2y minus 2025xy and minus 2x. And we want to know what that is given the relationship above. So let's write things down. We have 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by y equals 2025. Okay, so let's try and merge the fractions together. So on the denominator we have x, we have xy, and for the numerator we have y minus x, so that's it, 2025. Okay, so let's try and tidy things up. What if we multiply both sides by xy? So y minus x, xy, multiplied by xy, and then we have 2025 and multiplied by xy. So on the left hand side, the xy is cancelled out. So we are left with just y minus x, like this, y minus x. And that equals 2025 xy. Now, keep this expression in mind. It's going to be very helpful to what we do. Okay, so let's take a look at this big fraction, right? So let's rewrite some of the terms. So let's first write 2026xy, and then I take out a minus from the y, so minus y, and we will take out the minus from the positive x, so we have minus x, because if we distribute the minuses back into it, we get minus y plus x, which is what we have. And then let's do the denominator. So let's take out 2, and then we have y minus x, and then minus 2025 xy. Now notice that we have some y minus x's within this whole fraction. We have this y minus x, and then 2 times y minus x. Now on here we found that y minus x is just 2025 multiplied by xy. So let's substitute that into our fraction. So we now have 2026 xy minus 2025 xy divided by 2 times 2025 xy minus 2025 xy. Well, what's the top? The numerator, we just have xy, because 2026 minus 2025 is just 1. And what's for the bottom? Well, we have 2 2025 minus another 2025, so we are left with 2025 xy. Well, in here, the xy's, we can cancel them out, and so we are left with 1 divided by 2025. And that's our answer. How amazing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.